Welcome to the DSA channel, learn and enjoy.
You wait at a traffic light normally, and then a careless driver. It happened in East Orlando. Luckily nothing happened to this car, but you will see a picture of the accident. You see the police come and try to stop the carjacking. They got in the middle of the road and the thieves hit them. You can see that 4 people are running away from the scene of the accident. I have no information if they were arrested. It happened in Cleveland, Ohio. The van crosses into the opposite lane and causes an accident. You can see how the driver of the Mercedes behind runs away to the right. Happened in Roxbury, New Hampshire, and we're going to watch this video again in slow motion. The motorcycle driver accelerates, and the transition from wet to dry road causes him to lose control and fall in front of the truck, fortunately, without serious consequences. Red light runner, who knows how many times.
How can a policeman improve your image? How can a first aid cabinet make your employees more prepared?
This happened in Dayton, Massachusetts. The driver of the red car started ahead of time and caused an accident. Terrible assessment. If you rewind the video, you can see the stop sign that he didn't respect. This behavior causes traffic accidents. It happened in Cincinnati, Ohio. U-Haul truck thinks his turn signal makes it okay to come on over. It happened in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Fucking idiot.
Some drivers forget how long their vehicles are when towing a trailer, or just feel like they have to get through the intersection before another red light cycle. This truck with the boat trailer had to know he couldn't clear the intersection with all the traffic in front of him. It happened in Manchester Township, New Jersey. Sometimes it's better to slow down than to speed up. An example is this video. This is an example of a hit-and-run accident. It happened in the UK. I sped it up so it wouldn't be too boring until the end.
You need to stop.
Police chase at 4:40 UN. Fortunately, he didn't hit this car at the beginning of the video, and I sped up the chase until the end of the video so it wouldn't be boring. It's occurred in northern Indiana.